Hello, I'm Jennifer with Jennifer Decorates, and today's video I'm going to show you how to decorate a blush colored Christmas tree. So for our first layer, we're going to add garland, and I thought pearl garland is absolutely the perfect touch. So give me a second, I'm going to add this to the tree. So the next layer, which is one of my favorite parts to add, is the ribbon. So if you'll look at what I chose 3 different ribbons. One in a blush color that's a little bit of a sheer, this one that has a little gold in it, and then the smaller ribbon is almost a platinum color. Now, if you're not quite sure how I make both or how I add them to the tree, I've got a link right here. Just click on it, it'll show you how to do it. I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my tree and let me fill it up, and we'll go on to the next one. All right, now we're gonna add some poinsettias to the tree. I've got one in a beautiful platinum color and of course another one in a blush color. And also, if you guys want to add even more of this theme around your tree, wrap your presents in white, snip the stems off these poinsettias, and hot glue it on the top of your present. All right, let me add these to the tree and we'll move on to the next step. All right, for the next layer, we're gonna add different sprigs. This one, obviously, is gold magnolia. I think it's gonna look beautiful with the tree. So give me a second, I'm gonna add these on. So I've got a lot more sprigs to add, but the next ones we're gonna add are these little pine cones that are a little bit frosted. This is gonna add a little bit of a wintry look to the tree. Now, when you have your sprigs, there's 2 things I wanna tell you. Make sure you spread them out. A lot of them are on wire. And then also, like with the leaves that I put on the trees, let them come out from the tree a little bit. You don't have to stop it right at the branch of the tree. For the last sprigs that I'm gonna add, let me show you these. These are adorable little balls that we'll add. Again, remember, spread them out when you're putting them into the tree. And then the last thing, this was actually a long stem. I probably should have showed you before I trimmed it, but go look in the floral section, not just the stem section in the Christmas area. And then you can snip, and you can get about 8 of these. Use wire trimmers, and what you're gonna do is you're just gonna set this into the tree closer to the edge. So I'm gonna finish up with my stems, and we're gonna move on to ornaments. Gonna add the ornaments to the tree. One of the things I really like to do is I like to pair ornaments together, big and small, and then if they come with a string, just clip the string and hook both ornaments on one hook. I'm gonna put these all over the tree. The last thing I'm gonna add to the tree are these beautiful platinum roses. They're gonna be so easy to attach to the tree. They've got a hook on the back. I had a really fun time doing this rose gold tree. I would love to hear about how you decorate your tree and if you have a specific theme, so be sure to leave me a comment below. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that because we're gonna have another video out next week.